Right up, pawb. So, question 4 is asking, ble is ti yn y gwyliau? Now, you may recognise some of the words in this question already, especially the first word, which is ble, which means where, doesn't it? So, ble is ti yn y gwyliau means where did you go in the holidays? Now, we have recently had the Christmas break, haven't we? So there may be lots for you to answer if you are asked this question. But for 1 point, you could then just share the place that you visited. So, for example, if you went to London, you can say London. Or, in Gymraeg, you say Llundain. Sounds very similar, doesn't it? London and Llundain. So that's for 1 point. For 2 points, you can answer in a full sentence by saying es I Llundain. Es I is I went. So es I Llundain. For 3 points, you can say who you went with. So, for example, es I Llundain gyda mam, dad, brawd a chwaer. That would be a good answer. And for 4 points, you can say where you went in a full sentence, who you went with, and then ask the question back. So, for example, es I Llundain gyda mam, dad, brawd a chwaer, beth amdanat ti?